Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to unbox a package that I received from Poland. These are two Russian brands kits from Mosfa. You know, I already diamond painted one, and I was very impressed with the detalization and with high quality diamonds that they used. And I was actually very surprised to receive it today because I ordered it last Tuesday, and a week later it's already here in the United States. So let's open and see how it looks inside. And here are these beautiful kits. These kits are from Russian company Mosfa. Now it's one of my most favorite brands because they hand charged their diamond paintings. And if you follow my channel, you remember this gorgeous Lori in the Jungle, which is 30 by 40 centimeters only. Very small diamond painting kit, also from this company, Mosfa, and I was very impressed at how it turned out. Look at the detalization, it's just terrific. I see every single wrinkle on the parrot's neck. I see every single feather. I see every single petal on the flowers, 30 by 40 centimeters. And not only the detalization is amazing, but also the quality of the diamonds was great. There it is. So I liked it so much that I really wanted to diamond paint more kits from this company. I actually had a negative experience in 2018 when I was diamond painting a landscape, like I don't remember the name, Winter House or something like this. It's either my first or second or third video, I do not remember. I didn't like it technique-wise, but the final result was good. Although over the years this company improved the quality of their drills, there were a lot of damaged drills that I had to toss away back in 2017. But you know, my recent kit, Lori in the Jungle, was great. It was a great turnout, and I really was longing on, you know, to diamond paint more kits from them. So I went to that Polish website. I will leave the link in the description box below. It's korikamo.com. Korikamo.com. The shipping was $10, and these kits were on a huge sale. The original price was $27. I purchased it $16 each. I believe $16 for each kit is a really very good price. So let's start with this kit. It is called, the name of the kit is My Princess. You know, if you follow my channel, I'm not really a fan of diamond painting animals and people, but I really wanted to diamond something from this company. This is a beautiful kit. It reminds me of my daughter, so I decided to purchase it. The canvas is gorgeous, just what I like the most. Non-color related whatsoever. I can't even figure out what's on it, which is great. It's like diamond painting from scratch. I already told you many times I love the element of surprise, and you are looking at something that I can make a sense of, like if I saw it without knowing what's on the original design, I would never guess what it is. But from this to this, now imagine how interesting it's going to diamond paint. Beautiful kit. This kit contains 35 colors. It is very small, just like the other one, 30 by 40 centimeters, very small. Yet I saw the completed kit, it would turn out very detailed. So the poured glue, the adhesive is the poured glue. It's pretty sticky. It is a full square drill diamond painting kit. The symbols are really very nice, although I do see black grids that I do not like that much. The canvas is not fabric based, it's just a regular, you know, regular vinyl canvas, just a standard canvas that you can find in many AliExpress kits, but at this point I don't care. The canvas quality is the least one I care about, as long as there is the poured glue and the hand charted image. So there is nothing really to look at this point because it's not color related and you can not even see the image clearly. Let's look at the drills. The colors are very girly, a lot of shades of pink. What I do not like about this company's packaging is that the drills are not in a numeric order. Like usually when we purchase American brands, for example, there is the numeric order on each bag, DMC code or whatever code, plus a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like from 1 to 5, from 1 to 35, depending on how many colors. This one has only DMC codes, so it would be a little bit, it wouldn't be as it wouldn't be that easy to organize. It would be more time consuming than the rest of the kits, but whatever. I will be organizing it in a numeric order, but by DMC codes, not by just the number of the bags. Here are the drills. So the last kit that I diamond painted, Lori in the Jungle, has very high quality drills. There were hardly any gaps between the drills, and the drills themselves were pretty faceted. So this is the first diamond painting. Now let's see the other one. The next one is more color related than the previous one. It is called Arabian Horse or something like that. Arabic Horse. By the way, it also came with a standard set of tools, the stylus with 3 placer, the tray, and the wax, although it didn't contain any Ziploc bags. So this kit was not really very well packaged. As you can see, there are some wrinkles, although I'm very happy that it did not affect the design itself. I assume that this is an older version of their kits, because if we compare two canvases, you can see that they're a little bit different. This one has some kind of ornaments on it, and this one is more color related, and you can make sense of what is actually imprinted on the canvas, unlike this one. And one more thing that makes me think that this is an older version is the drills. We will go over it a little bit later. Now, this kit contains 28 colors, the same size, 30 by 40 centimeters. The adhesive is poured glue, and even the symbols, I think that they're a little bit bigger here on this canvas. Here's the Arabic horse, Arabian horse, I guess Arabic, right? The reason why I decided to purchase this kit, I was thinking of replacing a few drills on the decorations, on the jewelry that the horse is wearing. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to replace it, but I was thinking of customizing some with maybe with crystals, but we will see. So this is the imprint. Now let's look at the drills. That's what makes me think that this is an older version. I had the same very problem with my very first kit from Mosfa that I diamond painted in 2017, and it was again one of my first videos. I either the first one, the second one, or the third one. I don't remember which one exactly. And the one of the things I complained about, the drills, how they are organized, or not organized at all. As you can see, they are not attached, like the bags are not attached to each other. They are all over the place. So the other kit that I diamond painted in 2017 was bigger. Of course, it contained more colors, and it took me the whole freaking evening to organize and to get up to the diamond painting. It's because I was searching for the same colors all over the floor. Like I put all those all those drills in the bags, and I was searching for the same color all over the place. Like this one, where else is the same one? So this is very inconvenient, and one more, and it's going to be very challenging to get up to this kit. So, and most likely I will have to, are they the same? Yeah, they're the same. I will have to sort them out into Ziploc bags, I believe, because it would be very, very uncomfortable to diamond paint it with this kind of bags. Like usually what I do, I just, you know, put the bags in a chronological order from 1 to whatever it is, in this case, from 1 to 28. And I just cut the top of it, use it, and then I throw them away. But at this point, it would be really very hard to cut the top from this one and keep it standing in a container. I don't know. But yeah, this is the only disadvantage at this point that I see, that the drills are not really very well sorted and organized at this point. Thank God it's an older version. Now they at least attach the bags to each other, and there is no need to search for the same color all over the place. So, but these are the colors. Here they are. Hope you see it. I don't have time to, you know, organize all of them at this point, but I hope it will turn out gorgeous. Hopefully the drills will be of a good quality, because again, in 2017, I know that Mosfa improved a lot since 2017, but since this one is an older version, I hope that the drills would be of a good quality. I do not have any doubts about this kit. As to this one, the horse, we will see. So this is all for today. I will leave the link in the description box below. They have a lot of diamond painting kits there, a lot of designs, not as many as I would love to, but still. And what I would recommend you to do, if you want to try this company, I really encourage you to try this company. You are gonna love it. Because again, the digitalization is amazing. Just visit it like once a week and see if they have any kits on sale, because sometimes they do not have any sale for a month, and then ta-da, the sale is really huge. $27 versus 16 is a lot, in my opinion. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.